Hello, ladies.
Hi, girls and gents and
We are Sisters in
ladies
Stitches.
Eating at our favorite restaurant, Portillo's.
I'm really thirsty today. I don't know why.
All right. I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We are Sisters in Stitches, and we actually have some stitches today.
Yeah, this is my StitchFix.
Finally, we get to see Debbie with some clothing boxes.
So the first thing I asked in this fix, I asked for white clothes. So I did get several white clothes except for one little shirt, but I like that shirt anyway. So this is actually going to be a 5 for 5 for me. And I don't typically keep these cardigans. I hate when a sweater doesn't button because I think that renders them pointless. But this is so soft that I kept it anyway.
And this is mixed by 41 Hawthorne. It's the Barona brushed knit cardigan for $38. And what I like about it is I like the way that the front of it is one set of stripes and then the rest of it is...
Oh, right here on the...
Yeah, I like that it's stripes because it kind of elongates your eyes to go down.
This is what she's talking about. So, so that I'm keeping.
Then the white blouse. I love this blouse.
I haven't seen this on me yet, so I don't know, but it felt pretty good. And I love this kind of stuff in the summertime. You're just hot. I spend my summers on a boat, so you get off the boat, you're sticky hot. Love putting on flowy, sleeveless stuff.
I do too, but I like to wear like a tank underneath it to absorb any sweat. And this is the Nick and Zoe Camila keyhole blouse for $88. $88. What?
So that I'm keeping.
All right, and then we have another shirt. This looks great on her. It's so
like this.
casual.
It's very casual looking.
It reminds me of like being on a boat.
Well,
with a pair of white crop jeans.
And you'll see why I'm keeping it.
But this is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne gauze button-down shirt.
Yeah, it's just a gauze button-down shirt. There's nothing to write home about. It's just...
And she doesn't...
And then the next thing I got was this leopard shirt, which I got this a week ago, this Stitch Fix, you guys, and I've worn this 3 or 4 or 5 times maybe.
I love this shirt by Wes Kai. It's the tailing tie front blouse.
I love the way that where the tie hits me though. It's not like on your belly button, it's down lower, so it helps with my...
But you know, in my Stitch Fix, which you're gonna see in another video, I got a shirt just like that, and I thought, oh great, I love how Debbie's look. Oh no, I think I already posted that. The ties on me, because she's so tall, it looked like I had a unit, so.
This male appendage.
This looks way better on her than it did on me. I'll tell you that much. And then last but not least.
I got these Democracy jeans. Okay, now,
I love Democracy.
I love Democracy, and these are way soft. They're like wearing PJs. My only problem is they grab, like they crinkle, like they don't stay smooth on your leg. I'm gonna still keep them and wear them because I don't care.
They're the Jerry Skinny Distressed jean. And I thought, oh my gosh, is Debbie gonna wear a pair of jeans where there's sausage casings on her? But no, she says
they don't think
wrinkled.
they look like sausage casings. I think they just gathered and wrinkled.
Well, maybe if you look at the video, let her know what you guys think. I mean, she's keeping the pants,
I'm keeping
but let
them
her
anyway,
know what you
I'm
guys
losing
think.
weight, and by the time I actually will wear these in June or July, I'll have dropped enough weight. But
yeah.
Okay, so that's my Stitch Fix, and I know this is only a 4.5 minute video, but that's the Stitch Fix. I don't know. I don't want to just drone on and on to eat up time. So, like I said, she did a good job, and this is a new stylist for me. She's never styled me before, and so she really did listen to what I asked her to do. And I love Democracy. And
right, and these are the Absolution Booty Lift Jeggings, the mold and hold. And I do have a pair of blue jeans just like those. So
yeah, so I am gonna, and if I have to, I can just wear stuff underneath them to keep that all intact. So people aren't saying, Bob Evans. She must work there. Okay. So I like the way this shirt goes with the white pants. I like the way everything I got goes together. Like I can wear that with the white. I can put this with a white. I I could wear the white sleeveless shirt with this and this. I mean, she did a good
Yeah,
job of
she
kind of
did.
keeping it all in a nice little
Oh, and the other thing
package.
that we're not talking about is the black jeans that Debbie is now, I'm putting up here and showing you. She bought those as an extra.
Yes, I had to get that. It's an $88 shirt I just dropped on the floor, so I didn't want it to get dirty.
But yeah, with the black jeans.
I've done it a few times now. You know, they send you those Stitch Fix, hey, you bought this shirt, here's what we think here's some extras that you could pair it with. And I've been going through those because sometimes it's a really cute piece they're putting with it, something I wouldn't have thought of. And I needed another pair of jet black pants because all my Torrid jeans are just fading and they don't look jet
That's
black
why
anymore.
I dry clean all my black pants so they never fade.
Well, I dry cleaners where I live now are 30 to 35 minutes away, and so the hour round trip to dry clean black jeans. Somebody told me to get Woolite has some black detergent that you're supposed to only wash your black clothes in. So they said put all your black jeans in at one time, put this stuff in there, and it'll keep the black from fading out. So I'm gonna try that. And somebody also said you can throw black dye in with your black pants and it'll pop them back up to black. Yeah. So I'm going to give them both a try because they're getting so washed. They almost look like dark gray jeans now. And those weren't cheap jeans. Torrid jeans are expensive.
Yeah.
But since I moved out to the country, I don't have the city, the convenience of city things that are all 5 minutes away. So anyway, that was my Stitch Fix. I'm keeping all 5 things, but do weigh in anyway, and let me know what you thought of each piece because.
And let her know about the white pants because she's still a little iffy on those.
Yeah, let me know on the white pants. I'm gonna keep them because like I said, I'm dropping weight and they'll eventually fit me and look good. But let me know.
All right, then after we tell you all the maintenance of the site, which is hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and
Hit the notify button if you want to know when a video comes out. But Cindy just told me she hasn't put up a video in like 3 days.
I did yesterday, and I felt bad. I've just been so busy getting.
I don't know why. I don't know why she's always so busy. She's only taking care of my brother, taking care of her daughter and her kids, taking care of 4 grandkids, working from home, working from the office.
And trying to fix up my house all at the same time. So
Every time I come over, there's something new to look at. It's so fun.
all right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.